Okay, you know what? When I come back next night, I'll show you my gun. He wanted to pursue them all in court. You cannot do that. The people. I thought, you know what? We'll come on weekend, try my gun, see if you like it.
Different. Questo mi sta incontrando
No.
I don't want to switch though.
Well, wait. My friend.
But too later, it went swollen. The battery's shot, yeah. Now you're risking, I think, blow up.
He doesn't know. That's all.